Introduction. I have to make a project on our family, but I'm confused. Where should I start from? Don't worry, I'll help you in completion of your project. Thank you. Dear friends, will you join me in making this project? Objectives. At the end of this course, you will be able to describe a family, understand the importance of a family, learn about nuclear, large, and joint family, and be able to differentiate among them. Dear, let's look at Sam's family. She is Sam's mother, and he is Sam's father. Look, he is Sam's elder brother. Hey, look here! They are his parental grandparents. Now see, they are Sam's uncle and aunt. And they are his maternal grandparents. Sam lives with his mother, father, and elder brother. You know, this is an example of a nuclear family. Now look at this family chart. What do you notice? We notice that the parents with more than 2 children form a large family. Do you know what a joint family is? In a joint family, grandparents, uncles, aunts, and cousins all live together with the parents and children of a nuclear family. So now you are able to identify whether it is a nuclear family, a large family, or a joint family. The members of a family live together, and the place where they live is called a home. Members of a family help each other. You know, they work, live, and have fun together. Summary. Now friends, let us summarize what we have learned. A group of people living together is called a family. The different types of family are nuclear family, large family, and joint family. A nuclear family comprises of a father, mother, and 1 or 2 children. A large family comprises of a father, mother, and more than 2 children. A joint family comprises of grandparents, uncle, aunt, and cousins living together with the nuclear family.